ridge node. For creating these things, that the mountain that has a ridge on its top part. For example, if you change the scale, as you can see, we have a smaller noise here, or we can give a part, big part, more uniform rock things. You can change the height. Yeah, as you can see here, the ridge will happen here. Actually, I think this node has a maximum height that created such a distinct ridge. For added detail, as you can see, it's not very natural. For added detail on this ridge part, you can increase the number of the definitions. The higher part, yeah, you can see it. You can change the scale of that. We have a small ridge here. As you can see, it's create more detail at the mountain. And seed is changing it randomly. Nice. And the advanced setting, just we can right click and one by one, it's scaling. As you can see, it's scaling the mountain in X or double in X. It's scaling. Yeah, as you can see, we are compressing our mountain in X direction, and you can create these things. You can right click and reset it. Okay, this is a ridge for creating the mountain that has lots of ridge here. Ridge part. So be careful about the scale, because if you make it at a higher scale, yeah, we have going to slope part. Nice. It means with this node you can create a mountain that has a sharp top. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.